So welcome back people. This will be the 10th video I guess. So this will be based on arrays. So we are doing now arrays in bash scripting. Okay, so how do you write array? Like how do you specify array? Okay, let's see that. Let's say I need to specify an array which contain vehicle names. Okay, vehicle names. Okay, my array. So this will be the variable where I'm storing the array. Inside I specify a vehicle, so van and car and bus. Okay, so this will be the my array. I'll edit the my array to vehicle. So this vehicle array contain van, car and bus. So it is separated by spaces. So if you use comma, then this will basically result in wrong thing. So whenever you're writing arrays in the bash script, you should not use comma, you should use spaces, okay, between the values. Okay, if I click enter, then let me say I need van, so that you can use echo and then dollar, and inside the flower bracket you specify vehicle and in the box bracket or your box bracket, what you actually call it, and you specify 0. So this will basically print the first value, that will be 0th value, that will be van. So if you need second value, then you can use 1. So if you need a third value, then you can use 2. Let's say you need all the values, so you can use at. So this will basically print all the values. Okay, now let's say instead of bus, I need to change that particular value in the array. So you can also do like vehicle, vehicle is equal to, then you need to specify in the box, you need to specify 2. So I'm changing bus, so 0th, 1th and the second. So I'm saying I need to change bus to some kind of what do I change? Okay, supercar. So if I do everything, if I print everything, you can see the bus value is being changed to supercar. Okay, now let's say you need to you need a length. Okay, so if you need a length, for this you need to specify hash symbol in front of this. So this will basically count the total number of values inside the array. So that will basically print 3. So there is 3 values. Okay, now let's say you need to loop throughout this arrays, so that we can use for loop. So for then you can specify I, and so actually you need to write this for loop and all in the file, but I'm writing it here only. Okay, dollar symbol, then you need to specify vehicle, then you need to say at symbol, that will be everything. Then you can say do, then you can say echo, then you can say vehicle names, then you can specify in the in this one, and you can specify I, so small I. So this will basically then done. So this will basically print the values one by one, so van, car and supercar. Okay, so let's say you need to print this in for loop, like this is also a for loop, but like for I is equal to 0, something like that. So you can also do for in double bracket, you can specify I is equal to 0, and then I is less than length of I is less than length, then you can specify I is equal to I plus plus, then double bracket and do echo in the vehicle names. Okay, vehicle names, and then $I. Okay, now you need to do one more thing, that will be you need to use dollar symbol, then inside the inside the flower bracket you need to specify the variable name, that will be array name, that will be vehicle. Then you need to specify I. Okay, so this will basically print vehicle 0 1 2 3. But see here, so the length will be totally of like 20. It is taking 20. So let's do one thing. Let's go back. Instead of length, we specify it as ash. Then we specify vehicle, that will be the array name, and then in the flower bracket we specify at. So this will basically take 3. So in this array, that there is 3 values, then that will be taken to ash. Then it will count. There is a 3 element in the length of the element will be 3, or the length of the array will be 3. So this will count. So I need to iterate 3 times, 0 1 2, and when it comes to 3, then it will exit. Okay, so that is how you can use for loop. Okay, so the next one is associative arrays, like declare -a and person. Okay, after that you can use person, and then you can declare name as something like my name. Okay, after that you can declare person age. Okay, after that will be 30. So now if you need to print this, so it's like a dictionary in Python. If you know Python, you will be familiar with dictionaries, right? So if you do echo, and then in the double bracket you can specify name is to, then you need to specify in the brackets person. In the box bracket you can specify name. Okay, this will basically print the name. If you need age, this will basically print the age. It's like a dictionary. So in one dictionary there is many values, value names or the variable names, something like that. So that will be name. If you call for the name, then it will print the name. If you call for the age, then it will print the age. So this is basically this is basically the arrays. How do you like this is how you specify the arrays. And like, thank you for watching. Bye.